Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some bathroom styling tricks that will instantly elevate the look of your bathroom without renovating. If you're looking for some easy, affordable ideas to transform your bathroom, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I love to do in any bathroom is create small vignettes and moments around the space. These can be on your countertop, on your walls, by your bathtub or shower. You can create small decorative moments around your space to really create a decorative full look. Now, vignettes are usually created with 3 to 5 items, so one simple decor piece on your countertop doesn't usually do the trick. You need to create groupings. And when you're creating your decorative groupings around your bathroom, think about pieces that you're actually going to use on your countertop. It's not the best idea to decorate your bathroom with items that you'll never touch, so think about bringing in canisters, candles, towels, organization pieces that look decorative at the same time to really create a beautiful look. Bathrooms are filled with hard surfaces, so these vignettes are really going to add that layered look to your bathroom that really brings it to life. Think about your bathroom in moments and views. Think about wood stools, towels hanging, and wall art above, really creating that low, medium, and high moment to create a full vignette will give you a very finished look. Now, one little lighting trick that you can add to your bathroom without doing any kind of electrical work is just simply adding a small lamp or battery-powered lamp to your countertop or any kind of shelving in your space. This will give you that calm, dim lighting, especially in the evening, that thoughtful touch that might be adding a little bit of pattern or color, and a lot of warmth to your bathroom makes a huge difference. Bathrooms are usually lit for practicality and tasks, so they're usually very bright. So adding in a small lamp that might be able to dim down is just such an elegant look. This works really well in powder bathrooms. I think having a little lamp on when guests come over is such a pretty touch. Keep it small, keep it decorative and intentional for a really beautiful look. Just like small kitchen lamps, bathroom lamps are very unexpected, and when you see them, it just gives you this feeling of wow. So if you want to integrate a little wow factor into your bathroom, add in a small lamp. Now, adding texture to a bathroom is huge. A lot of bathrooms have really slick, shiny surfaces, so adding in texture where you can really can warm up your space. So think about bringing in wood items, which could be a small stool, maybe decorative boxes to organize your small items, or even wall art frames. Bring in interesting textures with your towels and decorative pieces that you add to your space. Maybe a vase that you select has a lot more texture in it instead of something really slick and smooth. And you can always add a ton of texture and warmth to your bathroom through baskets. Baskets are always my go-to item to add texture and interest into a space, especially in a bathroom. You can organize really well with baskets, you can add that warmth and texture in, and really create small moments. Now, I think you can create a very designer, unexpected look in a bathroom just by the wall art that you choose. I find a lot of people choose pieces that they wouldn't typically use in the rest of their home to style their bathroom, and I think that is a big mistake. I think use those vintage prints, those oil paintings, those moody art pieces in a bathroom to integrate your full design style into your bathroom as well. A bathroom is such a high traffic area that it's worth putting good artwork into, so style your walls of your bathroom with art that you would find in your living room. This is going to give you a sophisticated look. It's also going to create a little bit more of a cohesive feeling around your home, and it's going to elevate your bathroom so quickly. So I love the look of one simple art piece above a bathtub. It could be really large and oversized, or it can be strategically small to really draw your eye into that moment. You can also create this moment above your toilet, styling 2 art pieces. They don't have to be the same size or shape, but having them grouped in that duo will really do the trick. So think about your wall art in your bathroom. It can really bring your space together and create that wow moment right when you walk in. Now, this is one of my favorite tricks to do in any bathroom with a shower curtain. Always, always, always raise that shower curtain bar up as high as you can, pretty much to the ceiling, so that you can create a floor-to-ceiling draped look for your shower curtain. You can use regular window curtains to create this long, lengthened look, or get extra long shower curtains. This is going to lengthen the look of your bathroom, make it look larger and more designer. There's something about a shower curtain that's hung at that typical height that just makes it look a little bit basic and builder grade and really shrinks the size of your room. This is always a great trick, especially if you have a very dated bathtub or bathtub shower tiling. You can hide your bathtub and hide your shower tile just by bringing in a larger shower curtain. So raising that height up so that it fully covers that space will give you a more elevated look. Now, one very affordable thing that you can do to give yourself more of an organized designer look is upgrade to bottles, canisters, and jars. Ditch all of your packaging and go for a very uniform, classy look with glass canisters and jars. These will instantly give you an organized look in your bathroom. You can thrift them, you can find them at the dollar store. You do not have to spend a lot of money to get this really clean, organized look, and it will just automatically upgrade the look of your bathroom. So using those everyday items like Q-tips, cotton pads, soaps, bath salts, and sponges, you can just create moments out of those everyday items that you reach at to create a designer look. So I love the look of this in every bathroom, and you can really play around with the style of your bathroom and tie that into your jar and canister style. There's something about removing branding and all of the mixed matched colors that will give you a clean look in your bathroom instantly. It's the best way to upgrade the look of your bathroom on a major budget. One easy trick that always goes a very long way is replacing your small bath rugs with runners or small area rugs. If you have a larger bathroom, fill the open space with a large rug. This is going to fill out the look of your bathroom, make it a lot more comfortable, add texture and color and style, and it really brings a bathroom together. Because bathrooms are usually organized in very separate zones, this kind of brings your entire space together. You can also do this with long runners, especially if you have a long, narrow bathroom. This is gonna help connect the entire space instead of having multiple small mats throughout your space. You can always have a practical bath mat ready to use for your shower or bathtub, but for that floor space across your vanity or even any open space, definitely go for a rug or runner. Now, a floral arrangement or greenery arrangement can really go a long way, especially in a bathroom. It just feels very fresh and fitting in a bathroom space. You can do this with real or real looking florals and greenery, and it's a great way to add style to your bathroom. It gives you this really organic look, a lot more height, and really creates a moment, especially on your countertop. So you can play around with seasonal arrangements throughout the year, but it's a very affordable thing that you can have in your bathroom that gives you a designer look really quickly. Now, I always like to upgrade those small little things that you touch and feel every day, and one thing that is such an easy upgrade is your towels. I love to upgrade my bath towels to bath sheets. These are a lot larger and give you this luxurious feel every single time you use them. It's always the best upgrade that you can make to your bathroom that's gonna give you this great experience. I also love the way a bath sheet folds because it gives you this full, fluffy look, and they drape really nicely on a wall. If you have any kind of pegs or hooks on your walls, bath sheets just give you this really full look. So upgrade your bath towels to bath sheets for a beautiful designer look, but also a luxurious feel. I always love a good classic white towel. That's usually my go-to. So no matter what bathroom I'm putting them in, they always work. But you can really add a lot of style to your bathroom if you have them out on display, folded, rolled, or hung on a wall by using texture and color and pattern in your towels. Now, showers can either look very messy or very chic, just depending on how you style your everyday items. So think about removing as many bottles as you can from your shower to create a more minimal look. I love transferring my favorite shampoo, conditioner, and body wash into beautiful bottles that I can have out in my shower that look clean and simple. This is the best way to give you that designer hotel feeling in your own home. This is especially important, I think, if you have a guest bathroom or a space where visitors might use often. There's so many great ones on Amazon. I'll have them all linked down below. Some of them even come with wall mounts, so you can have them wall mounted, but even just having them on any kind of ledge does the trick. Just simply removing all of the clutter from your bathroom and kind of restyling it and simplifying it will instantly give you a designer look. All right, so that's it for my bathroom styling tricks that you definitely need to start implementing into your bathroom to create a designer look. Let me know down below in the comments if you're currently doing any of these tricks to your bathroom, and if there's anything from today's video that you're definitely going to add to your bathroom this year. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!